Two of the largest and most diverse ecosystems in America, the rich and humid Jungianous forests and the Great American Chaco, converge at the sub-Andean mountain ranges of northwestern Argentina. As a result, a unique transitional environment is created, the dry subtropical mountain forests. The high altitude and the complex landforms provide special conditions for the development of diverse life forms. Over the last years, many hectares of dry subtropical mountain forest were intentionally burned to turn the forest into useful pasture to feed livestock, one of the most important economic activities in these forests. In addition, population growth is driving the establishment of numerous urbanizations on the foothills.
My name is Viviana Berrios and I am a doctoral student. I work at the Applied Ecology for Conservation Laboratory in the National University of Salta and in the National Council for Scientific and Technical Research, both from Argentina. We aim to assist the restoration of degraded areas of dry subtropical mountain forests to accelerate their recovery once the disturbance has been interrupted. We want to apply a low-cost ecological restoration technique that takes advantage of the characteristic of the native ecosystem considering the socioeconomic status of underdeveloped countries like ours.
Dry subtropical mountain forests are characterized to present plant species with fleshy fruits and a high diversity of birds. Thus, if those birds are able to disperse seeds, artificial perches could be a successful ecological restoration technique. Artificial bird perches might increase the structure of the degraded areas, encouraging dispersal birds to alight meanwhile they disperse fleshy fruit seeds from forest remnant. We placed artificial bird perches to restore a degraded area in the Campo Alegre private natural reserve at the northwestern Argentina. Our goal was to determine which plant species reach the purchase area through the seed rain generated by the birds. We collected the seeds every 15 days during 2 consecutive summer seasons, from 2018 to 2020. Then, at laboratory, we identified at which plant species the seeds belong using a magnifying glass. The most abundant plant species that reached the purchase was Rubus imperialis, a bushy and thorny species.
All the seeds collected belong to native species. We obtained almost 5,000 ornithoporic dispersal seeds from the 24 artificial perches that we placed. This demonstrates that artificial bird perches increase the arrival of seeds into the degraded areas compared to places without them.
Our next step is to evaluate if these species are able to germinate and establish successfully, in order to prove the effectiveness of our restoration project.